वाइब्रेंट बेंगलुरु प्रोग्राम ब्रांड बेंगलुरु का एक हिस्सा है जिसका मकसद आर्ट, सकाफत, हेरिटेज और त्योहारों से शहर की शबीह को खूबसूरत बनाना है। नोडल IAS ऑफिसर जयराम रायपुरा की क़ियादत में कमेटी ने एक साल का कैलेंडर का मुसवदा जारी किया है, जिसके मुताबिक जनवरी से मार्च तक झीलों और फूलों के मेले पर तवज्जो दी जाएगी। BBMP की हुदूद में 150 से ज़ायद लेक्स की लिस्ट की बिना पर लेक फेस्टिवल का इनेकाद किया जाएगा। मार्च में होवू हब्बा फूलों का त्यौहार मनाया जाएगा। अक्टूबर में पेटे हब्बा पुराने और नए बाज़ारों का जश्न और नवंबर-दिसंबर में ऊरू और ग्रामा देवते गला हब्बा। ये तकरीबात वाइब्रेंट बेंगलुरु पहल का हिस्सा होंगी जो ब्रांड बेंगलुरु के तस्वुर का हिस्सा है और नायब वज़ीर आला DK शिव कुमार ने वज़ीर आला सिद्धरामैया के मुकम्मल ताउन से तैयार किया है। बेंगलुरु के मुख्तलिफ हिस्सों में 4 नए ऑडिटोरियम कायम किए जाएंगे, जबकि CBD इलाके में मौजूदा सकाफती ऑडिटोरियम को एक नई शक्ल दी जाएगी। इसका मकसद फ़नकारों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म मुहैया करना है और इस पूरे मंसूबे की कामयाबी को यकीनी बनाने के लिए BBMP की एक सकाफती विंग तजवीज़ की गई है।
The Brand Bengaluru is an initiative mooted by the Government of Karnataka under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah, and Brand Bengaluru has also been the brainchild of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri DK Shiv Kumar. Under the Brand Bengaluru initiative, we had the Vibrant Bengaluru committee set up with about 10 eminent personalities who have come from various fields. This group of 10 eminent personalities, as well as the Srishti School of Art and Design, together we have prepared this report on Vibrant Bengaluru. The report is already ready. Some of the major highlights of this report is that we are proposing a cultural calendar for Bengaluru. We are proposing that the public spaces for a whole lot of public activities be prepared, a whole lot of fountains be laid, and a whole lot of other areas be prepared. As well as we are also proposing that there should be a public art as well as various occasion for people to show their skills in art and culture in Bangalore. The report is ready. Now going further, we have also proposed that there should be a nodal agency within BBMP, a cultural wing in BBMP, which will take further the mandate being given by the Brand Bengaluru initiative as well as the report or the various suggestions made in the report of the Vibrant Bengaluru. I hope that this cultural wing in BBMP is set up and we take further this initiative of Brand Bengaluru. There are short-term initiatives, there are long-term initiatives. Some of the initiatives are can be implemented in as short a period as even 1 month also. But some of them are longer initiatives, anywhere between 2 to 3 years also, like some of the initiatives are there. It's very important, how soon do we see the results? Instead of that, it's very important that we go back to the drawing board and we prepare a very detailed plan for reviving the whole Brand Bengaluru as well as reviving the cultural activities in Bengaluru and making Bengaluru into a very vibrant city. Bengaluru has, in addition to being a garden capital, was also a city with the petes, with these lakes, any number of lakes that we have had. So we have more than 240 lakes within BBMP limit itself, and we have almost about 1,330 parks in Bangalore. In addition to these parks, all the trees in Bangalore, they bloom in the first and second week of March. It is a sight to behold. So we are proposing that these the March first and second week also we celebrate it as a Hoovu Habba, as well as the lakes and the parks and all that. We celebrate these parks and we celebrate these lakes. With that, there is a more support for rejuvenation of these parks and lakes.